everyone! We received 16 centimeters of fresh snow from Saturday evening to Sunday night, and more is coming in the coming days, which is adding to our season total. The rain on Tuesday afternoon did not affect our operation or our conditions. We still have great skiing on over 100 trails on our 4 sides and served by all of our lifts. Temperatures have been warmer this week, so the snow is a little bit softer. It has given us a little preview for spring skiing that is coming at the end of March. But don't panic, winter is not over yet. Colder temperatures are coming back for the weekend. It's going to be an awesome weekend in terms of events. So this Saturday, March 1st, is the Red Bull Race. This year is going to be at the base of the south side, so you can come and see the show. It's an endurance and style challenge for adrenaline seekers. This Saturday is also the start of the Quebec school break, so there will be activities every day in the Pedestrian Village. You can see the full schedule on our website. Finally, this Sunday, March 2nd, is the Icon Pass first tracks. So Icon Pass holders will be able to ski as of 7:30 on our freshly groomed trails. So you only need to go to the base of the gondola or the Duncan lift to access it. So come and enjoy the sun and the snow. See you on the slopes. Have a great weekend.